Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today you're gonna unboxing this Rise Emperor block special. The item number is 95574. So let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is a plastic body, and that's clear black. Okay, and here is the stickers. Okay, and that's the black specials. And the chassis is the MA chassis, and you can see it's ABS. It's reinforced chassis. Okay, and the parts come with it is yellow. Okay, and the wheel is large size 4-spoke wheels, narrow and white, and that's plated. I think it's dark. Let me see. That's deep black plated. Okay, and the tire is this is the hard tire. And here is the mark for the yellow. Okay, there's a side mark over here. And the gear ratio comes with is 4.1 and comes with the purple pinion gear. Okay, so this is everything for this car, and let's see how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so the special for this kit is basically the chassis is reinforced chassis, and the tire comes with is the super hard tires, and then of course it's a black special. So if you are the fan of this type of series card, then you can take one and just make it become your collections. All right, so this is today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.